a stealth interceptor specially designed for high-altitude missions. Its slender fuselage and matte black skin, made of absorbent composite materials, effectively reduce its radar and thermal signature, making it ideal for discreet reconnaissance and attack missions. The twin-vector nozzles, powered by adaptive cycle engines, ensure constant supersonic speed, with a supercruise capability at Mach 2.5. The double-inclined fins and a fly-by-wire flight control system guarantee exceptional maneuverability even at extreme speeds. The spacious cockpit, optimized for 2 pilots, is equipped with a holographic head-up display, HUD, and a touchscreen interface, augmented by artificial intelligence capable of providing real-time tactical analysis. The aircraft also features a latest-generation Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, coupled with a passive infrared detection system (IRST), allowing omnidirectional surveillance. Internal and external hardpoints allow for a flexible payload, including long-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and electronic warfare systems. A range of 3,500 kilometers, extendable via in-flight refueling, makes it a strategic asset for long-range operations. Its modular design facilitates maintenance and the integration of new technologies.